Hey guys, my name's Dave. I'm going to be making a zero clearance insert for my Delta table saw. Here you'll see me measuring the depth for the plywood that I'll be using as my insert. The measurement was just proud of 1/4 of an inch, and I had plenty of 1/4 inch plywood from a shaker cabinet project I've been working on. Ari! Ari! What's up? You want to see what we're doing? Look. With a little help from my daughter, I traced the old insert over my plywood to give me the outline. I used my coping saw and my crosscut saw to cut out the shape. After cutting out the round ends, I went over to my table saw to rip the last straight edge. Using the belt sander, I smoothed out the round ends, then brought them back to the table for a test fit. I took it back to the sander for a touch-up. Now it fit like a glove. Using the original plate as my template, I transferred the holes over using my self-centering drill bit. And since I don't have a countersink bit, I just use a bigger bit to countersink the holes. I line my fence up with the edge of the plate slot and rip the plate about halfway through so the riving knife would have a slot to protrude. I had some laminate left over from a previous job and thought it'd be cool to laminate the top. After gluing the laminate to the top of the plate, I secured the plate down onto the table saw with the screws that came with the original plate. And I didn't catch it on camera, but I used my drill press to drill a hole that I would use for a finger insert in case I ever need to swap back to the original one for an angle cut. And lastly, with the plate secured to the table, I raised the blade all the way up to cut out the rest of the groove for the saw blade. The insert came out great. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.